Now suppose I have 100 numbers, that is x1, x2, x3 till 100. And the condition is that x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 till x100 is equal to 5051. Right? So from x1 to x100 the sum is 5051, and the condition is there, the value of x1 should be greater than equal to 1, the value of x2 should be greater than equal to 2. Similarly, the value of x100 should be greater than equal to 100. Right? So this is the condition, and we have to find out the integral solution of this given equation. Right? Now further, suppose alternately what we can see that 5051 like objects are there with us, and we have to distribute the objects among these 100 people with this condition. Right? So how would I approach the problem? Since x1 should get at least 1, x2 should get at least 2, so I already just distribute their bare minimum requirements. Right? So 1 I have to give to x1, then 2 to x2, then 3 to x3. Similarly 100 to x100. Right? So in all these many objects I am already distributing. So that's the total is 5050. Right? So if I make this distribution, 5050 objects will be finished. Now I am left with just one object. So x1 plus x2 plus x3 till x100 is equal to 1. Now I have to solve this equation. Right? And what I have to do, I have to find out non-negative integral solutions. Why non-negative? Because I have already filled up their bare minimum requirement. Now if the all of them get 0 also, that means at least one will get one this particular object, so remaining persons will definitely get 0, but their bare minimum requirements have already been filled up, fulfilled. So I have to distribute this one apple or one object among 100. So I have to find out the solutions for that. Right? So you can use the formula or you can use the common sense. I just use the formula and then I'll tell you the simple method also. So it's n plus r minus 1 c r minus 1. So it's n is what? 1 plus r is what? 100 minus 1 c 100 minus 1. So it's 100c 99, that is 100. So the total number of ways are 100. So if you don't wish to use this formula, we can just apply the common sense. Since we are having one object with us, so we are having 100 ways to distribute that. We can distribute it to x1 or x2 or x3 or x4 or till x100. Right? So we are having 100 ways to distribute this object or to give this object. Right? So you can go by just common sense, or you can use the formula. Right? So if we are having any other number instead of 1, if we are having 2 over here, so we can use the formula. Right? If in all, instead of 5051, if I have 5052, so here I'll be having 2. So in that case this formula will be like good to use. So it's 2 plus 100 minus 1 c 100 minus 1. So it's what? 102 minus 1, that is 101 c 99, and the problem will be 101 c2, that's 101 into 100 by 2. Right? So it's 101 into 50, and this 0. So in all 5050 solutions will be there if this equation is 5052. Right? I hope you are clear. Friends, we have done good number of problems in this session, and I believe you must be enjoying the session. I'll be taking more problems in the next session. Do revise this session and the previous ones. Bye bye.